how it is. Hendrix. I promise I swear. On everybody. Yo.
Hey guys, it's Mitch's Aviation back with another video, and today I will be doing, I believe it's my 12th or 13th 1/400 scale unboxing and reviews. So today we have in front of us the AirAsia A330-300 by Phoenix, and it's 1/400 scale Platinum Series. So the registration of this aircraft is 9M-XXU, and yeah. So at the front we have the digitalized image, and then we have the X in the background with AirAsia on it. So I'm getting to the model. On the side of the box we have Phoenix logo, the digitalized image, and then Airbus A330-300. Here we have AirAsia X, Phoenix logo, and then we have the registration. Here we have the Phoenix logo, we have the digitalized image, and here we have the heart of aviation. I'll just read it out to you. True to scale collectible, super detailed graphics, realistic featured antennas, rollable wheels with metal landing gears. So let's get to the back of the box. So on the back of the box we have limited edition AirAsia X, and then we have now everyone can fly extra long. We have the barcode, warning contains small parts not suitable for children under 14 years of age, made in China, and then the Phoenix logo. I like how Phoenix put their logo on everything of theirs, which is pretty cool. I really like that. So yeah, so let's get to the model. So hey guys, we're back. So here's the wonderful model. So we're gonna start from the front of the plane to the back of the plane. So yep. So starting off, right. I'm just trying to zoom in as far as I can, guys. Sorry. I'm just trying to get like the best as I can. So here we have Malaysia, I think it says. I'll just check on the visualized image. So I'll just check. Malaysia. It says Malaysia Airbus. Which is pretty cool. And maybe I'll just is that to make it look close up. Yeah, the awesome plane. I just love this model. It's just awesome. So we have the door. We have the AirAsia X above the first window. And then we have the very nice wheels at the bottom. It's really cool. And we have the awesome windows, antenna. Then we have AirAsia.com. Then we have the really nice doors. I'm trying to just get the best zoom as I can here, guys. Here we go. So we got two windows shut, which is pretty cool. So to make it look more realistic. And we have the engines, which are really nicely molded. We have more windows. And we have the wingtips, which say, I'll just zoom out a bit more. AirAsia. They say AirAsia, and then it has the X in the background. And I'll just quickly check if it says it on the inside. Yep, it does, guys. Yeah, it does have AirAsia on the inside. I'll just put it back around. So it does have it in the inside, because looked over there. Zoom into that. Might not be working, but Yeah, it says it on that wingtip. There we go. Okay. So we have now everyone can fly extra long because it has the X. And then we have the last door, which is really cool. And then we have the really nice tail, which I really like on this specific mold. Really, really nice. I just love it. It's really cool. So now I'm just going to show you the belly of the aircraft. Get in depth about it. We have the hole for the stand. Then we have airasia.com, and there's an antenna just here. Just that's cool, and we'll get the landing gear, which is really cool on the bottom. So that's really, really, really nice, that mold, or that model. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, give it a like, and comment if you want to leave any comments. So see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed. Peace.